Hello my friends. Today, we want to talk about lavender and provide you with some recipes so you can create them yourself. Lavender, scientifically known as Lavandula, is a popular aromatic herb, celebrated for its array of health benefits. Its reputation for both fragrant calmness and potential health applications is widely acknowledged. Here, we delve into lavender's health advantages, along with some practical tips and precautions. Health benefits of lavender: relaxation and stress relief. Lavender is renowned for its capacity to induce relaxation and alleviate stress. The fragrance of lavender essential oil has demonstrated its ability to soothe the nervous system, reducing anxiety and promoting relaxation. Improved sleep. The tranquil aroma of lavender is frequently harnessed to enhance sleep quality. It can be diffused or placed in pillows, creating an atmosphere conducive to peaceful, restorative sleep. Lavender oil is believed to possess mild pain-relieving properties. As a massage oil, it can help ease muscle tension and minor aches. Lavender's antiseptic and anti-inflammatory qualities make it effective in treating minor skin irritations, cuts, and insect bites. It's a common ingredient in natural skincare products like creams, lotions, and soaps. Inhaling the aroma of lavender essential oil can offer relief from congestion and mild respiratory issues, owing to its potential to relax respiratory muscles. Utilize lavender essential oil in a diffuser to bask in its calming effects throughout your living space. Dilute lavender essential oil with a carrier oil, for example coconut or jojoba oil, before applying to the skin, preventing irritation. This is suitable for massages and addressing skin concerns. Elevate sleep quality by placing a sachet filled with dried lavender flowers under your pillow. Create herbal tea using lavender flowers, which might offer mild calming effects. While culinary use of lavender is common, large amounts of lavender essential oil, or any essential oil, can be harmful. Internal essential oil use should be supervised by a qualified healthcare professional. Direct skin application. Avoid applying undiluted lavender essential oil directly to the skin, as it might lead to irritation or allergic reactions. If you are pregnant, nursing, or have young children, exercise caution with essential oil use. Consult a healthcare professional before incorporating lavender into your routine. If you're allergic to plants in the Lamiaceae family, including mint, basil, and sage, be cautious with lavender, as it belongs to the same family. Disclaimer: this video imparts general information and not medical advice. Always consult a qualified healthcare provider for medical concerns. The content does not replace professional guidance, and should be acted upon under individual responsibility. Seek emergency medical assistance when needed. The creators do not endorse specific treatments. The opinions expressed in the video are personal and do not represent medical institutions. By watching, you acknowledge and accept this disclaimer. Here are some lavender recipes along with their benefits. Lavender herbal tea ingredients. 1 teaspoon dried lavender flowers. 1 cup boiling water. Optional. Honey or lemon for flavor. Place the dried lavender flowers in a tea infuser or small tea bag. Place the infuser or tea bag in a cup. Pour boiling water over the lavender flowers. Allow the tea to steep for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until desired strength is reached. Remove the infuser or tea bag. Optional. Add honey or a squeeze of lemon for extra flavor. Enjoy the soothing and aromatic lavender tea. Benefits. Lavender tea is known for its calming properties and pleasant aroma. It can be enjoyed before bedtime to help promote relaxation and better sleep. Lavender infused oil ingredients. 1 cup dried lavender flowers. 2 cups carrier oil, for example olive, almond, or jojoba oil. Place the dried lavender flowers in a clean glass jar. Pour the carrier oil over the lavender flowers, ensuring they are fully covered. Seal the jar and place it in a sunny spot for 2 to 4 weeks to allow the oil to infuse. Strain the oil through a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth into a dark glass bottle for storage. Benefits. Lavender infused oil can be used for massages, as a moisturizer, or added to bathwater to promote relaxation and calmness. Lavender lemonade. Ingredients. 1 cup fresh lavender flowers or ½ cup dried lavender flowers. 1 cup freshly squeezed lemon juice. 3/4 cup honey, adjust to taste. 4 cups water. Instructions. Make a simple syrup by combining 2 cups of water and honey in a saucepan. Bring to a boil, stirring until honey is dissolved. Remove from heat. Add the fresh lavender flowers to the syrup. Cover and let steep for about 20 minutes. Strain the lavender-infused syrup into a pitcher. Add the freshly squeezed lemon juice and remaining 2 cups of water. Stir well. Refrigerate until chilled and serve over ice. Benefits. Lavender lemonade offers a refreshing drink with a soothing aroma. Lavender's calming properties can add an extra layer of relaxation. Lavender bath salts. Ingredients. 2 cups Epsom salt. 1/4 cup dried lavender flowers. 10 to 15 drops lavender essential oil. In a mixing bowl, combine the Epsom salt and dried lavender flowers. Add the lavender essential oil and mix well to evenly distribute the scent. Store the mixture in a sealed container. Benefits. Adding lavender bath salts to your bath can help relax muscles, reduce stress, and promote better sleep. Lavender face mist. Ingredients. A 1/2 cup distilled water. 1/4 cup witch hazel. 10 drops lavender essential oil. In a spray bottle, combine the distilled water and witch hazel. Add the lavender essential oil and shake well to mix. Store the bottle in a cool, dry place. Benefits. Lavender face mist can soothe the irritated skin, provide a refreshing boost, and help balance oil production. Lavender infused honey. Ingredients. 1/4 cup fresh lavender flowers. 1 cup raw honey. Place the fresh lavender flowers in a clean glass jar. Pour the raw honey over the lavender flowers, ensuring they are fully covered. Seal the jar and let it sit in a cool, dark place for about 3 to 5 days to infuse. Strain the honey through a fine mesh strainer into a clean jar. Benefits. Lavender-infused honey can be used to sweeten teas, drizzle over desserts, or enjoy as a calming remedy for minor throat irritations. Lavender-scented sachets. Ingredients. Dried lavender flowers. Small fabric sachet bags. Instructions. Fill the fabric sachet bags with dried lavender flowers. Tie the bags securely to keep the lavender inside. Place the sachets in closets, drawers, or under your pillow to enjoy the soothing aroma of lavender. Benefits. Lavender sachets add a pleasant scent to your linens and living spaces, promoting relaxation and a calming environment. Lavender and oatmeal face mask. 2 tablespoons finely ground oats. 1 teaspoon dried lavender flowers, finely ground. 1 tablespoon plain yogurt or honey. In a bowl, combine the ground oats and dried lavender flowers. Add plain yogurt or honey to create a paste. Apply the mask to clean, dry skin, and leave it on for about 15 to 20 minutes. Gently rinse off with warm water and pat your face dry. Benefits. This face mask can help exfoliate, soothe, and rejuvenate your skin, leaving it feeling refreshed and moisturized. Thank you for exploring the world of lavender with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your lavender experiences in the comments. Stay connected for more natural wellness content. Take care and see you next time.